If you're experiencing login failures on ClickUp Enterprise, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and find solutions. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Reset your password. If you cannot remember your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to ClickUp support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve login failures on ClickUp Enterprise. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.